You have to go to your guidance counselor or whatever mentor you have in school, and you ask about the Governor's School for Global Entrepreneurship, and they give you an application.
I was given the application by my guidance counselor. We have a class in my school called Junior Guidance, and every Friday we discuss new programs that come up. And Governor's School just happened to come up, and I thought, wow, what an opportunity that would be. It's probably a really long shot, and really, I didn't even think to apply. I didn't think that I could get in because I thought you had to have the 2400, you had to have the 98 GPA, but I did it anyway. And I filled out the application. You have to give your credentials, your grades, SAT scores, and your transcript. And then there were 3 essays about who are you, what you do, and your view on ethics in the corporate America and the business itself. And it took me about probably 3 weeks to fill out the application because it was very thorough, and I couldn't do it all at once. But once I was done, I had to get some recommendation letters, and I finished the application, got my recommendations, and mailed them in. And it wasn't that hard, really. I mean, you're just telling the board, or the people who select you, who you are, what you do, and then you have 2 other people tell them what they think of you.
Just the Governor's School application process in general has prepared me, I think, will prepare me very well for the college application process.